When Bitcoin mining BTC Cloud Miner first came out, it was drastically different than it is now. So what I'm going to do is break this whole thing down and find out whether this is worth your time or not. So the first thing I wanted to point out is that the creator of the app has promised an array of rewards in the future. But currently the only really obtainable reward is these $10 to $25 Amazon gift cards. And you redeem these with the Bitcoin points that you get. 10 Satoshis is 1 Bitcoin point. So you can see 1,000 points gets you a $10 Amazon gift card. And as for why it happened, the creator of this app comes from India. And India's gambling laws were changed, so he legally was not able to withdraw Bitcoin to people anymore. So it is a credit to him that he just didn't, cut and run. And he is trying to do the best to, give rewards to some people. So think of 1 point as 1 penny. And while it's not the Bitcoin that we wanted when we first started using the app, it's definitely better than nothing. So besides the one purchase option, which actually turns off the ads, the point of this app is to watch ads for Bitcoin points for which you can turn in for those Amazon gift cards that I just showed you. And after running all the ads for the day, you can see that I gained about 40 points, 41 points. So for the math going forward, I'm going to go with 40 points. And one quick thing to point out is that the ads used to reset at midnight. So if you didn't watch your ads right after midnight, you wouldn't get the full rewards. And then they changed it to noon. And now it just lasts 24 hours, which I think is a great update. So everybody should just get maximum rewards for watching their ads. But as I said, the lowest reward was a $10 gift card to Amazon, which is 10,000 points. So if you get 40 points a day, you watch all the ads, you'll get this in about 25 days. And they actually have an option for $100 to remove all of the ads for good. And for this to break even with your investment, it would take 250 days. But when you're purchasing something like this, you have to bank on that none of the rewards are going to change. And I am in pretty consistent email contact with the creator of this app, and I do want to trust the guy. I think he's a good guy. But this app does also update all the time, so please take that into account. They also added a referral system to where if somebody uses your invite code, you'll get a free 10 points, and if they redeem something, you get 200 points. And if you want a free and easy way to help support the channel and get these videos out faster, please use the invite code that you see on the screen, and I've linked the app in the description. So while you can't get real Bitcoin from this app, I think considering that the rewards are better than most apps, it was still worth showing off to you all. And if/when they do release new rewards and new updates, I'll let you all know as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin, and in this case reward apps, that give the best rewards and try to break them down as best as possible. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.